Hello, art friends. Welcome back. We're going to be drawing the crest of Hufflepuff from Harry Potter. All right, get those pencils ready. Okay, so to start with, we're going to draw the knight's head. It's going to come down, back up, then it's going to come up like so, and have another V, come up and around. We're going to have a little section here and here, a little section here. We're going to have a line coming down like so, and another line coming down, down, and down. There we go. And then it's going to have an oval on its head, and we're going to have some little curvy lines in that oval, and that's like the feather. And then we're going to have a line here and here, diagonal lines. There we go. That looks pretty good. Okay, then we're going to have this little critter on the top here. It's going to have a little oval there. We're going to start over here with a little oval. It's going to come back and down like that. Then we're going to have a little leg, another little leg, the body, and another little leg. Just like that. I think there's like an ear there. It's kind of abstract looking, really. Okay, so then what we're going to do next is we're going to draw a line across, a line across. We're going to come straight down. Then we're going to come down and in, down and in. And then we're going to draw the little Hufflepuff thing here. So we're going to come around like so. So it looks like that. And then there's a line up the middle with a little yellow eye. Then there's like an ear here. And then it's going to come around. And there's like a little paw that comes out here. And then this one starts a paw on this side, like that. And it's going to come down. It's going to have a little leg, like that. And we're going to draw the other leg, like that. And there's a little tail. And then this just kind of wraps up into here and comes down like so. Easy as that. Then we have it sectioned off into yellow and black. So we're going to divide that up that way, divide it up this way, and there is the main part of Hufflepuff. Then we're going to take and we're going to draw our curvy line down here. It's going to drop down, curvy line under, and we're going to start with an L here and an E here in the middle, and then we're going to go P, U, F, F, and then we're going to go F, F, U, H, and it's centered. Ta-da! Okay, then we're going to draw a U here with a line, a U here with a line. Then we're going to come out like so. There we go. All right, then we are going to start all the curviness. All right, so to start with, we're going to draw 1, 2, 3 ovals. Then we're going to draw a great big little curve, and it comes back out. And then it has another curve that comes off of it and comes back in. And then it has a little bitty curve right here. And another line right like that. Then we have another curve like so. We have another little kind of, they're like little worms it looks like. And then we have another little curve right here, like that, and it has some leaves on it. Okay, then right here we have a great big curve that comes up, and then it comes back around like so. And then we have another curve that comes in like that. And we have kind of a big V. We have some circles, or not circles, ovals. And then here we have a little curve, like that. And then we have another curve with a big thick part on the end like that. And what else? Oh, we have a little S hanging out here. There you go. Then on the other side, you would think it's symmetrical, but it's not. And we're gonna add another little 6 in here and another little 6 in here. That fills that in nice. Okay, then on this side, and I think we'll do a little, there, that looks better. Okay, then on this side we have like a number 6 right there. And then we have number 6 there, there. And then we have, oh, this one's really curvy. It comes around, woo, like that. And it's got a little doodad hanging in there. And we've got another one right there. This one is tricky. It has a little thing on the top like that. Then it's gonna come in and around. And then it's got one that comes out. That. And we've got 3 little pieces here. Piece that comes out of there and right there. We've got a great big number 6 here. And we've got one that comes around. We've got a little piece here and here. And we've got a kind of thick one there. And we have a little S. All right, and there we are, Hufflepuff. Hey, if you enjoyed this, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Middle School Art Mania. Thanks for watching.